What's going on, guys? I just wanted to hop on here really quickly and make a quick video for you guys. Today I wanted to make a quick video teaching you guys on today I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to play Minecraft 4.17. I know this video is going to be a little bit on the dumber side, but you know what, I think a lot of people should know this, just in case if people are having trouble with this. I'm sure a lot of people aren't, but let's go ahead and hop into this, guys. So when you open up your Minecraft, you should see that automatically, you should see if the latest release, this is for Java edition, just to clarify that. But you should see the Minecraft 1.17 latest release right here. All you have to do is click play, guys. Again, like I said, this is more on like the easier tutorial side. I don't know how this video will do, but I just like to teach you guys everything. So I wanted to make sure that some of you, just in case you're having this issue, basically all you have to do is open up your Minecraft. If you don't see the latest release, just go to your installation section, new installation, name it 1.17. Okay, and then you can also pick whatever your logo you want. I'm gonna put a cake, and then right here you're just gonna click the latest release of Minecraft 1.17, and then you're gonna click create. Now, if you don't see any of these releases, you can see right here, all you see is snapshots. It's because you need to click release. You need to make sure that this one, I'm gonna get rid of snapshots, but make sure that the release is selected, and that's it, guys. And then once that's done, you click play, and that's it. And then also you can download Optifine. It's in the HDU G9 pre-18 right now, so download it for Minecraft 1.17, and that's it, guys. That's how you play Minecraft 1.17. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I do apologize for the little video. I'm making another video right after this, so I just wanted to go ahead and make a quick video for you guys. Again, I'm back on the channel, guys. I'm really back. Super excited. So thank you guys so much for your patience, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Make sure to click that like and subscribe if you guys did. I know it was a simple tutorial and a really easy one. I'm sure most of you guys know how to do this, but again, just in case, I wanted to make sure. So I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you guys so much. Adios, guys.